This student failed her driving test with only one critical driving error. The critical driving error was speeding in a school zone. So in Queensland, the speed limit in school zones is 40. And the school hours are usually from 7 to 9 a.m. in the morning and 2 to 4 p.m. in the afternoon. Sometimes in some areas, we have the school zone all the way from 7 o'clock in the morning until 4 o'clock in the afternoon. You just need to see the sign and see what the sign says. This student dropped her speed to a little bit under 40 when she came across the 40 sign, the school zone sign, but halfway through, she forgot that she is still in the school zone and she started picking up the speed and she went up to 46. And the examiner had to tell her to slow down. She's still in the school zone. Remember, the school zone starts from where you see the school zone sign and finishes when you pass a different speed limit sign. So when you pass a 50 sign, for example, or 60 sign, 70 sign or whatever, that's when the school zone is finished. Make sure you keep your speed to a little bit under 40 until you pass a different speed limit sign.